we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that may look similar, but they have a different meaning and quite a different pronunciation as well. So it's important to be clear about how to say them correctly and what they mean. So the top word is when you have a disease, you are ill, like the flu, for example. The stop word is said as diseased, diseased, okay, with Z sounds all along. So today I'm not going to work because I am diseased, okay? That's how you would use this word. Now the bottom word is pronounced as deceased, 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 and that means someone is essentially passed away or dead, deceased, okay? So that's a very different meaning. You better be diseased rather than deceased, okay? So it's very important not to confuse those two words and pronounce them properly. When you have a disease, you are diseased. Now, when you're dead, and the final terms of your disease, well, you may be deceased, okay? And now you know. Like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.